Hello, everyone. Thanks for tuning in. Wartime, it's Equalizer versus a Russian alliance. And as you can see, they're ahead, but they have less flags than us. So we'll see how we do. All right, starting out against this team. Hopefully, by one Dispeller and one, um, you know, one that can prevent buffs. Well, I have a red diamond and I have a purple diamond, so this is an excellent board. So I'll start out with the purple diamond that's going to set up my red diamond. So let's do that. We don't get a lot of these. Okay, all right, okay. All right, not often do we get these type of boards, so we'll take it as they go. All right, let's wait for the equalizer and then we win the match. All right, so I know this is going to kill Horus, but I think it's going to kill Obakan too, if he doesn't evade. Oh, he does evade. Let's go for him then. All right. Okay, we'll do it again, and we're done. All right, that was easy. I got an awesome board. That was a god board. So, all right, all right. Playing against this team this time. Hope this team doesn't bite me in the ass. I don't have a lot of healers, but I have Professor Lindenbrock. So there's that. Okay. All right. So not a lot of reds. So what we can do, I mean, I can make this and make a red and possibly down a yellow, but I think maybe this one is better. This one's a little risky though, but this one is a higher chance of getting a yellow because I can get a yellow up here or down here, and I might get a red too. So let's do that. All right. Okay, so all I need now is two yellows. So I'm tempted to clear the board because this can get me one red, and then on this side, when it cascades, it might bring me another red. So I'll do this one. All right. So she is gonna fire, but I'm gonna have. So I don't know if I should trigger. Hmm, should I trigger? Yeah, I think I should. I'm not gonna wait because not that a ghosted lane is gonna make much of a difference, but right. Let's go here. And let's see, what do we have? So we need to ghost here. So I'm tempted to ghost here. I'll save up my ruby in case I need her. Seems like the board is starting to dry up on me. This is gonna clear out a lot of things, but if my charge and so I gotta have a choice here. Do I charge up Anne or just wait a turn first? I think I want to. This does not do anything for me. I'm trying to find ways that I can find my reds more than anything. I'm tempted to do this one. I don't think this is going to charge up Anne, so we'll do this one. issue is I did not get reds here. So let's do this first. So I know doing the purple diamond might be a little bit suicidal, but I think I kind of have to do it because I just don't have anything. Almost, she almost died. Hopefully they don't all die. My goodness, holy crap. Yeah, that's the kind of damage Anne does. Please don't kill. Alright, faced with a situation here. Do I wait? I don't know. I think Ruby can handle a hit, right? She can handle a hit. Because I want to charge her to a second level before. It's a little greedy, but oh shoot. Yeah, she can handle a hit now. Alright, well, I guess I didn't have to deal with it. Great. I think we're done here. Alright. So one thing about Leidenbach, and I'm gonna do a video about it if you didn't watch this war, but she charges up the first turn with all the buffs, with all the mana boost and whatnot. She charges up in 7 tiles, which is insane for a slow hero to charge up in 7 tiles, which is practically fast speed. Anyway, let's move on. All right, next up, I'm playing against this team. It's a pretty strong team. Hopefully we can handle them. Ends on the board. Let's see what we get. Wow. Okay. Okay, this is, it's not a bad board, you know? It's not a bad board. Um, we don't have any reds, but we have tons of greens and purples, so we could work with that. Okay. So I know I can do the dragon, but I want to do the green first because um, it charges up my muni. All right, maybe incidentally I can do this too. The problem is don't have a move where I can. Yeah, I don't have a move that I can. Oh well, I have this. I can do this one. Let's do that. Now, stop. You don't want those shenanigans. All right. So since they're going to dispel the latest, I'm going to do this first. And I'm not going to do Znalfod because I might need him later. Right, yep. Fire off everything now while you can. Okay. All right. So now I'm going to do Znalfod because I want the tile percentage. And this is gonna. I'm scared this is gonna charge him. Because if it charges him with this, it's gonna be a lot of damage. So I'm not gonna do that one. I'm gonna wait a turn before I do it. So yeah, I mean this is the best if he wasn't charging up, but since he is, you know, there's two heroes that are going to charge up, which is going to be a lot of damage. Yeah, let's do this first. Okay, I hope it doesn't kill everyone. Okay. All right. Great. All right, so now that we have this, we'll do this, this, and this. And we'll go, because this is going to give me 3 matches here if I go up. No, I didn't put it off. Don't put it off by yourself. So I'm gonna do this one because it's gonna do my red matches and clears up the board and it does all kind of good things. All right. Okay. So I can do this side. Um, let's see what the board. No, I'm gonna do this side. I can ghost now. If I do this and this, I can do this and charge them up again for the next cycle. So kind of tempted to just kill him, to be honest, but I'm gonna deplete his mana first. I don't know why I did that. I don't know why I did. I don't know why I charged up, but that's fine. It's not gonna make a difference. All right, I want to kill El Nada. Right, and then do this, and then my defense. Only have 3 green tiles, so not a lot of benefit. I think it's over here. All right. Okay, I think we played that pretty well. All right. This is the next team we're playing against. Don't have a dispeller per se, but I'm just going for sheer power, which definitely works against Hawthorne if I get my yellow tiles. Okay. So there's a good news, and there's a bad news. The good news is I have my purples. The bad news is I don't have a lot of yellows. Okay. So this kind of brings up a lot of tiles and gives me a chance at maybe yellows down. The fact that I don't have yellows is going to be an issue, especially against Hawthorne. Okay. So this will bring up my yellows and match up this. Let's do it first. Okay. So I know the red is going to give me a dragon, but it's going to charge up. I don't want to charge up Hawthorne, at least not for now. So let's just do this first. Okay, so this does not give me what I want. So I probably can kill her if I do this one. Still going to be lacking one, maybe lacking one yellow match. That's the only thing. This is a little bit greedy if I do this because I'm not going to kill him. So I'd rather try to go and kill her if I can. Okay, well, at least I got another match here. I know he has Reflect, but that's the beauty of Equalizer. Need a dead move. I'm getting close to danger territory now. Okay. The reason why I'm thinking now is because any move I do, I'm gonna ruin this match here, which I don't want to do. At the same time, I have to. Okay. All right, let's just beef up our stuff on embrace for impact. Let's just brace for impact. So I can get my 2 purples again. It's just going to be a lot of damage with Anne and Queen. What does she do again? Delay, so she can't prevent it. She can't prevent it too. Honestly, maybe I get damaged by Queen better than Anne. Anne just is brutal. Okay. Kind of thinking if I can do a because I need 4 tiles of the. I can charge up my purple again if I wanted to. It's gonna take 1, 2, 3 moves, but I can do it. And at the same time, try to. Okay. Let's see. So let's do this. Don't want to trigger him yet. Let's see if we can kill Anne with this. Do this. Please don't revive. Okay, nice. Alright, that was clutch. Her not reviving, that just probably won me the match there. Alright, so let's just do this. I know he reflects, but I don't care. I mean, he doesn't have defense up. That's why I brought this team, because I really don't care that he reflects. 640, so he's not going to die unless I directly hit him with this. Right? Which is fine. Let him reflect whatever he wants to reflect. Doesn't matter to me. Okay. I know this move. Yeah, I mean, might cascade into her, but that's fine. All right. That turned out to be even better than I thought. Because now I can do this and charge him up again. Do it again. Okay. Awesome. All right, that was great. Okay. Playing against another Aramis. This is a pretty strong team. But we will do our best. Because that's what we always do. Or try to do anyway. Okay. Ooh. All right, this is a sad board, but we can try to make something out of it. So I don't think the suggested match is a good one. I think I want to do this one and then do the yellow, but there's a lot of green in here. This one might bring up some yellows, and it'll cascade the red too, so it'll clear up some of the board. So I kind of like this one as a first. Okay. So this might fire up Aramis, but I need tiles. All right. Kind of thinking, do I want to do this match? Don't have any other matches. That's the problem. I'm gonna kind of start out with this one first. Oh my God. No, 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 no. No, no, no. This is not what I wanted. Okay. Wow. So I can do this one. Problem is that if I get a green in the middle, I'm screwed. Oh, oh my God. Come on, man. Come on, man. And he kills three. Come on, man. Like, how? What kind of bullshit is this? That sucks. I mean, are you serious? Like, this is just. Ah, that kind of sucks. I think I have to withdraw this. I need to flee. Like, I don't want him to. Because if I do this, he's gonna heal up and then she's gonna fire the next turn. So there's no point in doing this. I'm not gonna kill anyone. This is just a bunch of BS. Like this is just BS. Like this is the type of fucking cascades that just ruins it. Whatever. Okay, going a little aggressive with this team. See how we do. I mean, if I don't get my purple, then I'm gonna lose this. But let's see. Man, not a lot of purples. It's just the game sometimes is just frustrating. Like, look at this PS now. He's gonna fire off now. Oh my goodness. Like, what the? This is what the game is turning into. Like, you get your tiles in 4 moves or you die. That's pretty much it. Alright, want to do this first before the red because he's dead. Glad she at least evaded. Might get a purple down. Nope. Okay, I want to do this one to the right, not the left. He's gonna fire, but at least I have some protection there. And it can give me this too. Yes. Okay. Jeez. I don't think we can kill Aramis even. Alright. Problem is, after this, my tiles kind of dries up completely. So let's do this first. See what kind of tiles I get. Alright, let's just heal up. I'll go here. Hopefully I can get some purples, which I don't. I basically didn't hit all of them. Anne is closing in now. Oh my god. Alright, at least everyone's health is less than half, so she's gonna kill only one. Who's it gonna be? Of course she goes for the one who charged up. Alright, let's just wait. Heal up. Alright, good, we got our matches here. Kill? Alright. Okay, at least we got the last hit. So man, that match that I lost is just, I mean, I know some of the moves, like I could have made it different, but I mean, you don't know what the next cascade is going to be. Like I could have done that move instead, but you never know what the next cascade would be. That's the problem. And when I kind of cornered myself into a cascade, in the end, but the board just didn't, sometimes you just can't predict the board. And looking back, I looked back at the match and I saw if I did a couple of moves differently, maybe the outcome would be different. But at the time of the match, you can't predict that type of move. Like you can predict, with a certain percentage, but you can predict at least one row or at the most two rows, but you cannot predict three rows. It's impossible. Like there's no way you can predict three rows because, three rows changes up the whole thing. That's the issue. Anyway, um, we have 115, they have 106, so it's 9 flag, and it's just 200 points, so we caught up. We were behind the beginning. At least this is better than my usual score, so at least we got that. Anyway, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.